So dear students, in this class we are going to discuss more simply what is ionic bond in chemical bonding chapter in 10th class chemistry part for 10th class board exam CBSE and state boards, especially AP and TS. So more simply, what is ionic bond? Ionic bond is also called as electrovalent or electrostatic bond. Electrovalent bond or electrostatic bond. It was introduced by Kosel. But what is the definition of ionic bond? Generally, ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons. It is formed by the transfer of electron or electrons. By transfer of electron or electrons from one atom to from electron or electrons from one atom to another. But one atom must be metal, another one is a non-metal. So it is always formed between one metal atom, another one is non-metal atom. So it is always formed between metal atom and non-metal atom. Here metal atom loses electron or electrons. So ionic bond is always formed between metal and non-metal atom. But here it is written, it is formed by the transfer of electron or electrons from one atom to another atom. So atom which transfers electron is a metal atom. So the metal atom loses electron or electrons and becomes positive ion. Metal atom in the chemical reaction loses electron, becomes a positive ion, or it is also called cation. And non-metal atom gains electron or electrons and becomes negative ion, or it is also called anion. So in the case of ionic bond, metal and non-metals participate in the chemical reaction. So metal atom loses electron, that is metal atom transfers electrons, and non-metal atom gains electron. So now both will become oppositely charged ion, that is one is a cation, another one is a anion. So now between them electrostatic force of attraction takes place. So the electrostatic force of attraction between two oppositely charged ions, oppositely charged ion means one is positive ion, another one is a negative ion. Between two oppositely charged ions, that is cation and anion, is called ionic bond. That is why it is also called electrostatic bond or electrovalent bond. So for example, Sodium and chlorine participate in the chemical reaction. Sodium by the loss of one electron, it will become Na plus ion. And chlorine by taking a one electron from sodium becomes Cl minus ion. And these two will be attracted by electrostatic force of attraction, that is ionic bond. Ionic bond can combine and form a molecule, NaCl molecule. So in the next live class, in the video classes, we explain formation of some molecules by the ionic bond topic. So that's all, ionic bond more simply.